friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making a sausage quiche. For this easy recipe, here are the ingredients we need. We need a pie crust for a 9-inch pie pan. We need a pound of ground sausage. You can use either mild or spicy, whatever is your preference. We need an onion, half and half, or you can also use milk if you'd like as a substitute. We need shredded cheddar cheese and eggs. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So the first thing we need to do is to cook the sausage. So I'm going to go over to my stove and cook the sausage. So here's my nonstick frying pan, and I'm going to turn the heat on high. And you don't even need to add oil because sausage already has enough fat, so you don't need oil in a nonstick pan. So let's add the sausage to the pan. And now when the pan is heated, it starts sizzling, and then I'm going to mix it. You should also, of course, break it up into pieces. So it's, when it's cooked, it's going to be crumbled, cooked sausage. And once the pan heats, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-high and keep mixing and cooking. And meanwhile, while it's cooking, I'm going to cut the onion. So let's take an onion and peel and cut it into small pieces. So I'm just going to chop it. So now, see here, it's good timing. The pan is heated, the sausage is sizzling, and now I chopped the onion. I'm going to add it to the sausage. And these can be cooked together because they take the same amount of time to cook. So I'm going to reduce heat to medium-high so this doesn't burn, and mix everything. And now continue cooking and mixing every minute until the sausage is cooked through and the onion is tender. And if you see it starting to burn, you can always reduce the heat to medium. Now the sausage has been cooking for about 10 minutes and it's completely cooked. So the sausage is cooked and the onions are nicely brown and tender. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And turn off the heat now, and let's just mix it with the cheese. And the cheese will melt just from the heat of the sausage. It looks so delicious. So now we're done making the filling for the quiche. So I turn off the heat and let me take it now to my other ingredients. So I'm going to now assemble the rest of the quiche. So I'm going to take a 9-inch pan and spray it with a nonstick cooking spray. And now I'm going to take a pie crust and unroll it. And line the pan with the pie crust. And now let's add the sausage filling. So next, we're going to whip the eggs with a half and half. So we need 4 eggs. And let me just mix them. And now I will add 1 cup of half and half. And mix it together. Now, if you want to add additional seasonings, you can do that. I usually find that the sausage is already seasoned, so this is enough seasonings for me. But you know, if you'd like to add some more stuff, just add it to the eggs. So now let's pour the egg mixture. And let's put it in the oven and bake. So the oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's put the quiche in the oven. And now the quiche is ready. It's been baking for 40 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at that, it looks amazing. Let's take it out of the oven and I'll put it on a counter. And this is super hot, so let's have it cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes and we'll try it. So now it's been about 5 minutes and it's quiche cooled down a little bit. So now I can cut it and try it. Look how delicious it looks. so good. Look at that. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. It tastes as good as it looks. It's so good. You're going to love it. And you can serve it for breakfast, for brunch, or for dinner. This is really very versatile. This is also perfect for parties and brunches. You will love this easy recipe. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!